Friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fantastically well. I'm also doing fantastically well. So, last night it was raining. It was heavy rain. Due to heavy rain, you can see behind me lots of water is there on the field. Not only on the field, every pond is covered through water. And if today night it will rain, so or means water will involve in at our home also. It's very problematic for us. Okay. Actually this kind of problem we face every year. Not only this year, we face every year in a village, because this land is a little bit down, where I my home is there. So this land is little bit down, so that's why we face this kind of problem. Means water, rain water involved at our home. We face a lot of problem. 2 to 3 days stay water at our home. So it's when we are went to outside, when we are working here and there, it will face too much problem. But what to do, because in our hand there is no any option for solving this problem. So you can see behind my camera, huge water is there on the field. And this water, if stay on a paddy fields since long days, so it will actually harmful to paddy fields. We will not get a proper paddy through this land. So that's why this water is very harmful. Nowadays in India, so many people are facing this kind of problem, huge water problem. Means every day it was raining heavy rains. Means if I talk about last night it was raining since a long time. Okay, means it was start in the evening times, to the whole night it was raining. So due to heavy rain, here and there we can see water. Even though our pond is also covered lots of water, this is our pond, and this pond is huge. Actually local fish is there. If today it will rain, so all fish will run away to another field, means another pond, and where is huge water, and wave is there, so they will run away to wave. So that's why we, because of due to heavy rain, we face problem. I was making videos there far away to my home, but today there is lots of water, I cannot go to that place. So that's why I'm making video here. And I will not discuss any kind of topic today. I try to capture a nature view in a rainy time. How is looking good. It's one side it's looking good, but another side is little bit harmful to our farm, harmful to our home, stay at home. Because of at home, actually our home is not decorated in that way. If water will involve at our home, so many work will actually increase. So we will get a new work. So that is a very actual boring work for me. I can't do that work, my mother always do. So my mother will face too much problem. My mother will get lots of work. So due to that, we face a problem. So what to do? If rain will come, we cannot stop rain. We cannot stop rain. We cannot say, okay, why rain is coming. Now you can see sky is covered cloud. Means yeah, actually today in the morning time, since morning to 10 o'clock it was raining. But after 10 o'clock to till now there is no rain. But 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock we saw sunshine, but now it's not any sunshine. We see cloudy. Maybe night time rain will come again. So what to do? But I enjoy a lot when a night time rain was coming. So at the time I got slept too much. I feel, wow, today my sleep is good. But last night it was too much thundering. I didn't observe. After wake up in the morning time, everyone is saying last night it was too much thundering. But I didn't get any kind of sound. So how much I used to sleep in the rain time. Uh, So, but one advantage is there. Actually, due to heavy rain, due to lots of water, everyone is collecting fish from the land, from the pond. Okay, so we will easily get we will easily get fish. And one of my grandfather really, try to collect fish from the land. I don't know my camera is capturing or not. Yeah, my camera is capturing white color, wearing white color, try to collect fish from the land. We are getting a fresh fish from the land, from the pond in this rainy time. This is the one kind of advantage is there. But this time easily we will get rain every year. It's not a new scenario for us, it's a every year scenario for us. So yeah, sometimes we enjoy a lot playing with waters, and sometimes we face problem. So what to do? Problem and good moment, bad moment, both are there. So we enjoy a lot. Bye. Take care.